Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A16 and you are wondering how to turn on developer option. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you will find here something say about phone. After click over about phone, you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here software information. From here you will find build number. You have to press 7 times, touch over there, and it's going to be turned on developer option. Now you can see sync to developer mode has been turned on. Now if I close completely, and now if I go jump over in my settings section, if I scroll all the way down, we will see they're going to appear developer option. So within this simple way you can easily turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A16. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.